Picture an ocean, its waves teeming with numbers and patterns, the digital age. Each click and interaction adds to the vast data tapestry. Yet amidst this sea, the data dilemma arises: how to find relevance in chaos. Now more than ever, traditional methods fall short. We need something stronger, a compass for uncharted waters. Join us as we take on the role of digital navigators, with data mining as our vessel and advanced algorithms as our oars. As we embark on this educational journey, we'll explore how data analysts address intricate problems and pave the way for a solution that transcends conventional wisdom. Embrace the tools and techniques designed to harness the data wave, and prepare to see how mining unveils valuable insights, setting the course for innovation. In this bite-swollen world, the urgency to distill meaning from data grows. Enter data mining, our lifeline for extracting invaluable information. An alchemist for the digital era, it turns raw data into nuggets of insight. Evolving from statistics, machine learning, and database systems, data mining is our compass through the information labyrinth, the synthesis where algorithms become artists. Envision diving deep to explore data classifications, association rules, and clustering, techniques that are the trade's cornerstone. This journey isn't just about comprehension, it's about revelation, bringing abstract patterns into tangible strategic decisions. With each step, we prepare to uncover data mining's sophistication and how it weaves together various fields to scaffold the data-driven decisions that shape our world. Venturing through data's rich landscape, we recognize the pivotal stage before mining: data pre-processing. To cultivate our digital soil, we begin by purifying data of inaccuracies. Following that, we integrate disparate data streams into a coherent fabric, setting the stage for analysis. The final touch is data transformation, refining raw figures for insight revelation. These pre-processing steps, akin to a symphony's prelude, ensure the elegance of the following act. As we eagerly anticipate what comes next, imagine algorithms poised like virtuosos, ready to orchestrate order from chaos, creating a narrative from the information abyss. At data mining's heart lie algorithms, meticulously crafted to decipher data's intricate web. These sophisticated architects build clarity from chaos. We encounter various algorithm types that sort, group, and reveal hidden relationships within data, each designed with precision for specific tasks. From market fluctuations to genomic sequences, algorithms serve as the silent powerhouses behind pattern recognition, prediction, and discovery. In this segment, we delve into their wide-ranging applications and prepare to witness these analytical heroes bring abstract data into the tangible world. Data classification brings order to complexity, segmenting a plethora of information into organized groups. Like a meticulously cataloged library, it turns a daunting volume into an intricately structured resource. In healthcare, classification refines patient records, aiding diagnoses. In finance, it flags fraudulent transactions. We discern and sort data akin to a botanist classifying plants, rendering the cryptic into the comprehensible. What follows is not just efficient access, but empowered utility across industries. As we transition to association rule mining, anticipate the unveiling of patterns that guide strategic decisions and narrate the story of data. Amidst the weave of data, hidden threads await, signaling untold tales. Association rule mining, our focus in this chapter, sifts through shopping patterns or uncovers correlations between healthcare symptoms and diagnoses. Through market basket analysis, businesses gain customer behavioral insights, enabling optimized store layouts and cross-promotion. This deep digital exploration equips us to harness data across various sectors. And now, as we segue to the sophistication of data clustering, anticipate the dynamic applications that continue to architect our understanding and interactions with the world. The art of data clustering elegantly unveils the veiled structures within vast datasets. Like identifying constellations in a starry sky, it brings order and comprehension. Marketers, biologists, and urban planners leverage clustering to tailor solutions and spearhead innovation. These applications underscore clustering's role in the data mining symphony. In the next segment, get ready to witness how these methods act as gateways to new horizons, mapping out transformative impacts, one insight at a time. Our journey introduces us to data mining's dramatic role in industry transformation. Retail giants distill customer patterns to strategically enhance sales, while medical researchers harness clusters in health data to innovate patient care. Each case study reflects a larger narrative, a revolution driven by raw data conversion into insightful action. These case studies are not mere successes, they're glimpses of a sweeping change, be it optimizing retail strategies based on market trends or deploying clustering for better civic services. These are the empowering tales of data mining. They illustrate not just the potential to become data rich, but insight rich, reshaping entire industries. As we prepare to explore domain specific applications, remember, the true realm of data mining is its impact, shaping healthcare, finance, retail, and more. These stories are preludes to the endless realms of possibilities that data mining promises. Indeed, data mining is a sculptor of industries. In healthcare, it's a life saving force. In finance, the pulse dictating the market's heartbeat. In retail, a craftsman personalizing shopping experiences. Each domain showcases data mining's might as more than a tool, it's a leading force of change. In our next segment, grasp this revelation. The true domain of data mining is profound impact, shaping futures in every field with unprecedented precision and creativity. We stand at the frontier, acknowledging data mining's formidable influence across major sectors. It's a tool of precision, tackling complexities with grace, from revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics to refining retail logistics. Now, as we look to the future, emerging trends signal the advent of smarter algorithms and more expansive data sets. In this ever-evolving landscape, the pursuit of discovery beckons. Embark on this continuing journey with adaptive learning models and personalized analytics, remaining agile and anticipatory. The realms of data mining offer boundless opportunities to learn, to discern, and ultimately, to innovate. Let your curiosity guide you through the technological expanse and use your insights to sculpt a smarter world.